Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install skills on your Cloud AI. Now for this case guys, we shall go with the front end skill. Now this is a skill that Cloud can use to generate fonts or even improve on its designs. So by default, Cloud will have basic skills, but I'll show you how to install this. Now for this case, we shall use this website, which is a github.com Anthropics Cloud Code. Now you can see guys that the front end skill is over here and this is the design. So I'll quickly click on it. Once I click on it guys, it's so simple as it is. I'll just come over here on these three dots and then I'll just go ahead and either copy path or go back to the home page over here. Then I click on this and then copy raw file. Now this is the code I'm going to be installing. Just click on this. After copying it, come to Cloud AI. Now write this prompt, install this skill. Now this is a front end skill. Put a semicolon and paste what you copied from the other side. You can see it's pasted there and it shows front end. Now quickly just click on this send message and the installation will start running. For my case, I already installed it on my Cloud AI, but basically that's the process. Thanks for watching guys. We shall meet